Hi everyone, it's me again, Mariel, and for this video, I'm going to discuss to you all about the arithmetic means. This is also requested sa ating TikTok, and of course, dahil nga tuloy-tuloy pa din tayo sa pag-upload ng mga math tutorials sa YouTube, so ito na. Meron na akong discussion all about arithmetic sequence and arithmetic series. So, let's continue the discussion sa arithmetic mean naman. So, you can also go to my channel, playlist, grade 10 playlist, para mapanood nyo muna yung arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, ano ba kapag sinabi nating arithmetic mean? It is a term between the first and last terms. For example, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And this is an example of a finite arithmetic sequence. When we say finite arithmetic sequence, ito yung meron siyang first and last term. Okay, so yun yung gagawin natin. Ang hinahanapan natin ng arithmetic means ay yung finite arithmetic sequence. Okay, so we have here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So, ang tinatawag na first and last term, sila yung tinatawag nating arithmetic extremes. While yung mga terms naman, in between them, in between the first and last term, eto, like for example, 2 and 12 is the first and last term, they are the arithmetic extremes. So, 4, 6, 8, and 10, sila naman yung tinatawag nating arithmetic means. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, madami na yung pumapagitna sa first and last term, okay? So, meron tayong mga formulas na pwede nating magamit enable for us to find the arithmetic means. So, sabi ko nga kanina, ang arithmetic mean is just an average sometimes because we have here the formula a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus a sub 3 over 2. For example, 2 and 6. Ayan. The arithmetic mean lang siya kasi isa lang, ng 2 and 6 is itong gitna. Kasi yun siya yung pinaka-average. No? So, in the formula, when we use the formula that is a sub 1, 2, plus a sub 3, 6, over 2 is equal to 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. And that is 4. So, itong formula na to is ginagamit lamang kapag mayroon tayong tatlong terms. Okay, tatlong terms lang siya. Again, ang arithmetic mean ng 4 and 8 is of course 6. Yung pumapagitna sa tatlo, yung padalawa. That is what we called arithmetic mean ng tatlong terms. Okay? So, yan, 6. Arithmetic mean of 6 and 10 is 8. Kasi, as you can see, 10 plus 6 is 16 divided by 2 is 8. Arithmetic mean of 8 and 12 is 10. Kasi as you can see, 8 plus 12 is 20 divided by 2 is 10. Ganun na kasimple ang arithmetic mean. Pero, paano naman ma'am kapag if more than 1 ang arithmetic means na kailangan nating i-insert sa first and last term? For example, ito nga, arithmetic mean. Halimbawa, 2 and 12 lang yung given, tapos wala yung 4, 6, 8, 10. Paano naman yung gagawin natin dyan? So, the first goal na gagawin natin is to find the common difference. Kasi siya yung susi para mahanap natin yung lahat ng terms na pumapagitna kay 2 at saka 12 or sa first and last term. Okay? So, dito, hindi na natin to i-example kasi given na. So, meron tayong dalawang formula na pwedeng gamitin. The arithmetic sequence formula, pwede natin siyang gamitin to find D or the common difference. And meron pa akong isang discover na formula na pwede din nating magamit. Itong formula na to, D is equal to A sub N minus A sub K over N minus K. Okay, so mamaya gagamitin natin yan, of course, parehas para makita natin yung kanilang differences, okay? And it's up to you kung ano yung gusto nyong gamitin na formula, kung saan kayo mas sanay. So, again, saan ginagamit itong formula na to? Ginagamit lang to kapag mayroong tatlong terms, while ito namang formula na ito is ginagamit kapag kailangan natin mag-insert ng more than one arithmetic means. Ibig sabihin, madami. Kagaya nito. 2 and 12 is the first and last term, i-insert yung 4, 6, 8, 10. Paano natin yun malalaman? So, okay? So, let's move on to the examples. Okay, so take a look at our first example mga bunso. Pasensya na kayo, medyo Mahina yung boses natin ngayon kasi gabi na ako nag-film nito and hindi na ako makakapag-set up ng whiteboard kasi nga late night na din and mas trip ko talaga mag-film ng gabi kasi nga hindi mainit. Okay, so bear with me. Okay, for our example number 1, we have what is the arithmetic mean between A, 5 and 19, B, 17 and 23, C, 28 and 40. So, kapag ganito yung tinatanong, wala tayong kailangang i-insert, isa lang yung hinahanap natin na arithmetic mean or gitna lang ng tatlong term. Kasi example, yan, 5 blank 19. So, hanapin lang natin yung pinaka-middle. Ang gagamitin nating formula for that is a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus a sub 3 over 2. So, ganito lang siya kadali. Kasi nga, a sub 2 yung hahanapin natin. Ayan. We have a sub 2. Ang ating a sub 1 is itong 5. A sub 3 natin is itong 19 or yung last term. 5 plus 19 over 2. Okay? Then, you're just going to perform the operation. 5 plus 19 is 24 divided by 2. Therefore, a sub 2 is equal to 12. Ayan. So, yan na siya. Ito na yung nahanap natin sa gitna. 12. Next, ating letter B. We have 17 and 23. So, hanapin daw natin yung arithmetic mean. So, pinakagitna lang talaga siya. And 23. So, gamitin ulit natin tong formula, a sub 2. Ayan, a sub 2 ang hinahanap natin is equal to 17 plus 23 over 2. Ito, kayang-kaya nyo itong sagutin sa isip lang, no? Kahit hindi na kayo gumamit ng calculator. Pero, may mga teachers na gusto nila, nakikita nila yung process kung paano nyo sila ginawa. Kagaya ko, may point sa akin yung process, no? So, we have 17 plus 23, that is 40 divided by 2. So, our a sub 2 is equal to 20. Ayan. So, therefore, ang nawawala natin dito is 20. So, for our letter C, we have 28 blank 40. Okay? Ganun ulit ang process. A sub 2 is equal to 28 plus 40 divided by 2. 28 plus 40 is 68. Divided by 2, our a sub 2 will be 34. And that is our arithmetic mean. Okay? So, the arithmetic mean of 5 and 19 is 12. The arithmetic mean of 17 and 23 is 20. The arithmetic mean of 28 and 40 is 34. And sa napapansin nyo, ang hinahanap lang ay arithmetic mean, not arithmetic means. Ibig sabihin, kapag isa lang yung hinahanap, ito lang yung gagamitin nyong formula. So, for our example number 2, we have insert. Ito na yung sinasabi nating arithmetic means. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 9 and 49. Okay, so sabi dito, tatlo daw yung hahanapin natin. So, meaning to say, hindi na valid itong formula na to dito sa ganitong klase ang tanong. Right? So, dito gagamit na tayo ng binigay kong formula kanina, which is pwede natin gamitin si arithmetic sequence formula or the common difference formula. Enable for us to find the common difference or D. Okay? So, sabi nga dito, insert 3. So, ang gagawin nyo dyan, ilagay nyo muna yan sa ganyan, sa blank. 1, 2, 3, kasi tatlo lang daw insert natin. Then, the last term is 49. First term is 9. Last term is 49. Okay? So, therefore, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ngayon, gamitin muna natin si arithmetic sequence formula. Ano ba ang formula ni arithmetic sequence? We have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano hanapin si common difference using this formula. Kung yan lang yung kabisado nyo na formula, paano yun? No? So, ganito lang siya kasimple. Dahil nga ito ang ating a sub 1, ito ang ating a sub 5. Okay? So, si a sub n, siya yung magsisilbi nating last term, which is 49. Kaya siya si a sub n. Okay? So, lagay nyo lang siya, 49. You're just going to substitute the value. And then, we have a sub 1 as 9. Plus, ano ang ating n? Si n, kung ilang terms mayroon sa kanila, kasama na yung i-insert natin. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, our n is 5. Okay? Kung ilan lang. Kahit pa ito'y 4, edi 4, 5, 6. So, 6 terms yun. Si n mo is 6. Kapag naman ito'y insert 5, di magiging 7 yung iyong n kasi 5, 6, 7. So, ganun lang kasimple kapag may iba pa kayong mga quizzes na katulad nito. Same lang sila ng process. Okay? Minus 1, automatic ang minus 1, nandyan na yan ha, times d. So, dahil nga si d, or si common difference yung hinahanap natin, so hindi natin siya kailangan lagyan ng value. And then right after that, you're just going to perform the operation or simplify. Ibaba lang natin si 49. Unahin nyo palagi yung may parenthesis yan. 9 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 times d. That is 4d. Okay, then right after that, just transpose 9 to 49 kasi kailangan magkasama sila para ma-perform natin siya at mahanap natin si d. Kasi sila yung like terms. So, 49, si 9 dito ay positive, so magiging negative siya dito. Minus 9 is equal to, natira na lang si 4d, so lagay nyo lang yan. 49 minus 9 is 40 is equal to 4d. Divide lang. Meron ako mga napapansin kung paano daw nakukuha yung i-divide. So, ganito siya. Kapag, halimbawa, we are looking for common difference, di ba? Kung ano yung kasama ng variable na hinahanap natin, kung anong kasama niyang number, yun yung kailangan natin i-eliminate or tanggalin. So, dahil si D, ang kasama niya ay 4 at kailangan natin matanggal si 4 para mahanap natin si D, di-divide natin both sides kay 4 kung alin yung i-eliminate natin, no? So, divide. So, cancel na tong 4. D is equal to 40 divided by 4, that is 10. Therefore, our common difference is 10. Okay? Ngayon, ganito naman siya kapag hahanapin nyo na itong second term, third term, and fourth term. Dahil nga meron na tayong common difference. Ang common difference, ito yung magsasabi sa atin kung paano natin mahanap sila, di ba? So, we have a sub 2, di ba? Yan, a sub 3, a sub 4. So, our a sub 2 is equal to 9 plus the common difference. Palaging ganun lang. Is equal to, of course, that is 19. So, lagay mo lang dyan, 19. And then, our a sub 3, yun namang 19 ang gagamitin natin. Ito, yan. 19 plus 10. That is 29. Therefore, this is 29. Okay? And then, our a sub 4, that is, ito naman ang gagamitin natin. 29 plus 10, that is 39. Okay? Ayan. Therefore, the arithmetic means between 9 and 49, or the three arithmetic means between 9 and 49 is 19, 29, and 39. Ganun lang siya kasimple, mga bunso. Okay? Now, gamitin natin yung isa pang formula na binigay ko sa inyo kanina. Ayan, lagay natin dito. Ano yung formula na yon? We have D is equal to A sub N minus A sub K over N minus K. Ayan. So, ito, para mas madali lang din mahanap si D, ganito lang siya, no? Itong A sub N natin, again, siya yung magiging last term, minus A sub K, siya yung magiging first term, or magiging ganito siya. Diba ang ating last term ay A sub 5? So, lagay nyo lang dyan, A sub 5, minus A sub K, siya yung magsisilbing A sub 1. Dito lang kasi tayo magbabase sa given eh. Yan. So, A sub 5 to kasi 3 yung arithmetic means na kailangan natin i-insert. Minus A sub 1 over, ano ba ang nilagay natin na n dito? Diba 5? Kasi yan, 5. So, we have n as 5 as well. Minus, ano yung nakalagay na k dito? Diba 1? Yan. Therefore, that is 5 minus 1. Okay? And then, just substitute the value. Our a sub 5 is 49. Minus a sub 1 is 9. Over 5 minus 1 is 4. 49 minus 9 is 40 over 4. Therefore, our common difference is D. Are they the same? Yes, they are. So, ganun lang kasimple ang pagkuha ng common difference gamit ang formula na ito. And ito namang a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. The formula for arithmetic sequence can also be used to find the common difference, but it's up to you kung aling formula ang na-memorize nyo, okay? So, ayun na siya. And then, after nito, same process lang din. So, our a sub 2 is equal to, kunin nyo yung ating a sub 1, 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. A sub 3 is equal to 19 plus common difference 10 is equal to 29. A sub 4 is equal to 29 plus 10 is equal to 39. 19, 29, and 39 is the same with 19, 29, and 39. Diba? Ganun lang kasimple mga bunso ang pagkuha ng arithmetic mean and arithmetic means. Okay, magkaiba sila and palagi ka lang kayong careful sa inyong mga sinasagutan at direction. You always follow the directions and para malaman nyo kung ano yung gagamitin yung formula, okay? So, yun lang for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching and I hope ay natutunan nyo na sa akin kung paano ba kumuha ng arithmetic mean at arithmetic means. Okay? Thank you so much and God bless everyone and always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Again, huwag nyo kalimutang i-subscribe si Ma'am Mariel, i-like itong video, i-hit ang notification bell down below para naman palagi kayong updated sa mga bago kong ina-upload dito sa YouTube as well as on TikTok. So, ngayon nga is 10:50 na ng gabi mga bunso. So, medyo ano na yung boses ko. But it's okay kasi para to sa inyo. And sobrang love na love ko kayo. Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo. Alright, share nyo din to sa inyong mga friends and classmates para lahat tayo is matuto. Thank you so much everyone. God bless us all.